Our next customer is the Chief Technology Officer at Keypoint Intelligence. Please welcome Chris Jones.
How you doing?
Hey, Chris.
Good to see you guys.
Thanks.
Great to be back. At Keypoint, we're a market research company, and we generate a lot of data. And some of that data is geospatial. And we wanted to build a tool and a process that our customers and ourselves could use to map that information in new and unique ways, save it, and use it over again. So we call that the Flex Map. We worked hard with the Domo team, and they built us a beautiful app I'd like to show you right now. So our Flex Map application starts with a map. And in this case, we've connected it to a database of dealers. We go nice full screen here, and we can start in with some basic capability, simple searching capability. And it's really easy to kind of full text search and see as you're on the map, starting to build that map together, get information about it. But we wanted to go beyond that. So we moved into saving your work. And saving your work is about layering your work on the map. You want to make those layers. You want to put those things on top of each other and see the differences. So we built a visual query builder here to organize all of that. And in here, you can do complex query builds very easily with drag and drop against all your attributes. You're able to click and measure dimensions, sort, and watch on the map as this all builds and comes to life. You're able to layer the query here in a very visual way. So I'm able to step through here. I'm able to select different attributes. I'm able to save that into my list of saved searches. Now I can layer it on the screen. So that's pretty powerful stuff. And now I'm able to go in, edit it, update it, and it's all tied to my Domo profile. So every one of my users can set up their own unique set of queries and layers. Everything in this app is layers. But we didn't want to stop there either. We wanted to start to focus that data. So we put in a territory builder. And the territory builder lets you build shapes. And you build shapes that you layer on the map. This shape is built out of zip codes. And so you're able to go in the same way that you do Visual Query Builder and do your shapes. And so you're able to select all sorts of different statistical layers here. You can draw your own, whatever you want to do. Polygons, lines, shapes. Then you can layer that on there, save your maps. So the next thing you can do is save them. So you want to be able to save these and come back, show them at a meeting, distribute them, share. All of that's in here too, saved under your own hierarchy. But we didn't want to go there either. We wanted to add another layer. We wanted to be able to create heat maps, endless number of heat maps off of your statistical data. You connect this right into the app. And then it layers itself right on top of the map. So now you put it all together. You're able to now take all of the work you've done, layer it on the map, and then make your decisions, take a look at that. Real-time data connected. Lots of great features here you can save. And then you can take it mobile. And that's one of the great things about Domo apps and custom apps. They don't just work on the desktop. They work right on your phone, too. And so everything that you've done on your desktop translates straight over to the phone. And that's Flex Map, or Flex App.
Chris.
Thank you.
Chris, that's amazing. I have a couple questions for you, if that's okay. You talked a lot about layers.
Mm-hmm.
Speaking of layers, I've put on too many layers, almost didn't fit into this suit. But the flexibility was really interesting, and the portability of it. So tell me how that's really affecting your ability to use it.
Well, one of the things that we did when we designed this app is we made sure that it was generic enough that we could connect it to a lot of different data sets. Because we have data sets that are locations or location-specific dealers. We have data sets that are IoT-style data sets. Application usage data sets. We want to use it in a number of different ways.
It's a lot of data.
Right, and Domo makes it really easy to do that with custom apps because you can just connect them to new data sets and run through your ETLs.
Oh, that's amazing. Thank you so much. We appreciate it.
Thank you, Chris.
Thank you.
One more. Thank you, Chris. Everyone, Chris Jones.